Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I will be guiding you through how you can log in or sign in to Words with Friends app. So in order to do that, first of all, open up the Words with Friends application on your device and you will be welcomed with this interface. Now, choose your login method from the menu. If you want to log in with email, tap on Sign in with email. Similarly, if you want to log in with Facebook, tap on Sign in with Facebook, and so on. You can also play as a guest if you don't want to sign in yet, but make sure to choose the same sign in option that you previously chose. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on Sign in with email. On the next page, type down your email address associated with your Words with Friends account. After you do that, click on the Next button. You will then need to verify your email. Go ahead and click Open the email inbox that you are just trying to log in with and click Open the email from Words with Friends and then tap on Verify email address. Follow through the instructions and then your account will be verified. You can now go back to the Words with Friends app and then you will be logged in. That is how you sign in to Words with Friends with the email option. If you found the video to be helpful, like, share and subscribe for more of these tutorials. I'll be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.